Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, I will present PPM last week. My name is Mufidah Mumtaza Alfian. So, I will presentasi this PPM. So, number one, for the question is make a sampling plan for the XSX inspection for according to the study case distribution on the SSP and the SP. For the study case is tumbler, inspection level G2, lot size is 800, IQL is 4%, and the type of inspection is Titanite. For the category letter J, sample size 80. For the SSP, for the SP first 50, and for the second is 50. And category letter AC, SSP is 5. For the SP first 2, and for the SP second is 6. And next is RE. For the SSP is 6. For the SP first is 5, and for the second is 7. Okay, next. Identify the findings when applying SSP and the SP. SSP for finding is the smaller or equal 5. For the decision is accept. For the D, bigger than equal 6. For the decision is reject. The SP and 1 findings day 1 smaller than equal 2. For the decision is accept. Next is day 1 equal 3. For the decision is taking second sample. And 2 findings is day 2 smaller than equal 3. For the total finding is day 1 plus day 2 smaller than equal 6. And for the decision is accept. Next, day 1 equal 4. For the decision is taking second sample. And 2 findings day 2 smaller than equal 2. And for the total finding is day 1 plus day 2 smaller than equal 6. And for the decision is accept. And last is day 1 bigger than equal 5. For the decision is reject. Okay, next. Determine the acceptance opportunity and company risk when applying SSP and SP. For SSP is finding the smaller than equal 5. For the decision is accept because the decision opportunity is 0.8945918995. And second, day bigger than equal 6. For decision is accept. For decision opportunity is 0.105408105. Okay, for the SSP is an or man is 3.2. For the SP is 2. So the peluang terima lot is SSP is 0.894591895. And for resiko perusahaan is 0.105408105. For the SP is 0.89239391. For the resiko perusahaan is 0.107606059. For the SP and finding is day 1 smaller than equal 2. For the decision is accept. And for M2 findings, nothing. Next, day 1 equal 3. For the decision is taking second sample. And for M2 finding is day 2 is smaller than equal 3. And for the total finding is day 1 plus day 2 smaller than equal 6. For the decision is accept. Next, for the day 1 equal 4, the decision is taking second samples 2. And 2 findings day 2 smaller than equal 2. For the total finding is day 1 plus day 2 smaller than equal 7 for the decision is accept. Okay, next, here we determine the consumer risk and determine the maximum average load quality when applying SSP and DSP. Before we find this percentage all, we should find from the table rumus, and we gotta have the final answer. So the consumer risk is SSP CRQ is 12%, and for AOQL 53%. And so for the SP, CRQ is 12% and AOQL is 358%. For the summary of previous result, for the lot size is 1800. For the sample size for SSP is 80, the SP first is 50, and for the second is 50. For ACE, SSP is 5, first is 2, and second is 6. And RE is SSP is 6, and for the SP first is 5 and second is 7. So the SP N1 findings is D1 smaller than equal to for the decision is accept, and for D1 equal 3 is taking second sample, D1 equal 4 is taking second sample 2, and last is D1 bigger than equal 5 is the decision is reject. Okay, next, for determine the potential cost incurred when implementing SSP and DSP is SSP is ATI is 155, for RQ is 0, 0, 322. For the SP, AT is 107, for RQ is 0, 0, 32, 92. For the OL value is 4%. So the potential cost of SSP and SP is inspection cost is unit per cost is 80,000 rupiah. For the volume is 156, and for the total cost is 1,247. For the volume is 108. For the total cost is 161. For the non-conformity is unit cost is 50 rupiah. For the volume is 26. For the total cost is 1,288. For the volume is 26. For the total cost is 1,370. So the total cost is inspection cost plus non-conformity is 2,535, and for the SP is 2,178. Okay, last for analysis the comparison of SSP and SP that have been obtained above. For the comparison of SSP and SP, company risk is 10,54%, for the SP is 10,76%, for the consumer risk is SSP is 12%, for the SP is 12% too, and next sampling plan output AOQL is 3,53%, and for the SP is 3,58%. So the sampling plan output is inspection cost is 891. For the analysis, the conclusion is SSP has a company risk of 10,40% and the SP has higher company risk with 10,76% on consumer risk. Both SSP and the SP has the same percentage at 12%, and for the total cost, the SP has less total cost than SSP with a difference of 357 rupiah. If we want to maximum the profit, we choose the SP because there is a significant different on the total cost, so we are going to choose DSP over SSP. But if we want better result inspection, we choose SSP because SSP has a lower company risk, so we're gonna choose SSP over DSP. Thank you.